What is financial freedom to you? Picture this: a life where your money works for you, not the other way around. A life where you are unchained from the daily grind, free to follow your passions, your dreams. That's what we mean by financial freedom. It isn't about hoarding wealth, but it's about smart money management, strategic planning, and a clear vision of your financial aspirations. Achieving financial freedom involves a combination of good money habits, careful planning, and a clear understanding of your financial goals. Achieving financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey that involves several key steps. First and foremost, managing and reducing debt is crucial. The priority here is high interest debt, like credit card debt. By eliminating this, you'll be making a significant stride towards financial freedom. Next, we have savings and building an emergency fund. This is essentially creating a financial safety net for yourself, a cushion to cover unexpected expenses without having to plunge into debt. Investing is another key component. Investing allows your money to work for you, to grow over time. It provides a source of passive income and long-term financial security. The next step is budgeting. By creating and sticking to a budget, you gain control over your spending and can allocate funds effectively towards your financial goals. Speaking of income, developing multiple streams of passive income such as rental properties, investments, or side businesses can provide financial stability and support your lifestyle. Then comes retirement planning. Saving up for retirement is essential for long-term financial freedom. Consider contributing to retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs to secure your future. Financial education is also crucial. The more you know about personal finance and investing, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions and maximize your financial resources. Living below your means is another key component. Avoid lifestyle inflation and live within or below your means to save and invest more, accelerating your path to financial freedom. And let's not forget about setting clear financial goals. Regularly tracking your progress keeps you focused and motivated on your journey to financial freedom. Healthcare and insurance are also essential. Adequate health insurance and other types of coverage protect your financial well-being in case of unexpected events. Preparing an estate plan helps secure your financial legacy and ensures that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Finally, understanding tax strategies and maximizing tax efficiency in your financial decisions can significantly impact your overall financial freedom. Each of these components plays a crucial role in achieving financial freedom. The road to financial freedom isn't always easy, but it's definitely worth the effort. It's a journey filled with twists and turns, requiring resilience, discipline, and a thirst for knowledge. You might face mountains of debt or stumble upon unexpected expenses that can throw you off your path. But don't lose heart. It's all part of the process. The secret is to stay focused and committed. Keep chipping away at that debt and continue building your savings. Stick to your budget, even when it's tempting to stray, and never stop learning about personal finance and investing. It's your strongest weapon on this journey. Along the way, you might feel overwhelmed, maybe even defeated at times. But remember, each challenge is a learning opportunity, each setback a chance to grow stronger, and with every step you take, you're getting closer to your goal. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. So, what does financial freedom look like? And what are the benefits? Well, imagine waking up each day knowing you're not shackled by financial stress. The first reward of financial freedom is peace of mind. It's the comfort of knowing your bills are covered, your future is secure, and you have a safety net for life's unexpected turns. But there's more. Financial freedom also means the ability to retire comfortably. You're not just scraping by. You're enjoying the fruits of your hard work. You have the time and resources to travel, pursue hobbies, or simply relax in the way you've always dreamed of. Additionally, Financial freedom gives you the liberty to follow your passions. Maybe you've always wanted to start a business, volunteer, or learn a new skill. With your finances in check, these dreams become achievable realities. And lastly, financial freedom allows you to leave a financial legacy, shaping the future for your loved ones or a cause you care about. In the end, financial freedom is about more than just money. It's about living a life of abundance, security, and fulfillment. Achieving financial freedom is within your reach, no matter where you're starting from. The journey involves managing your debts, saving and investing, budgeting wisely, and creating passive income streams. Retirement planning, financial education, living below your means, setting financial goals, securing insurance coverage, estate planning, and tax efficiency are all integral. It's a lot, but don't get overwhelmed. Start today, take one step at a time, and remember, the path to financial freedom is a personal journey, unique to each individual. Enjoy the journey.